So, Graham Project, gravity assisted motor update. We've fabricated individual circuits for each of the electromagnets. Basically all we had to do was add an additional toggle switch 180 degrees to the one that was already there. And now it's actually producing enough force with no weight on it to push the pendulum or the bob, magnetic bob, past the electromagnet. So now it's getting like a double kick. So the next step is we'll add the 50 pounds and see how it performs. But basically it's twice the current because they're individual circuits. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Graham Project, gravity assisted pulse motor update. We've completed the second individual circuit. So now each time it triggers, it's getting 12 volts. The resistance is of the electromagnet coil is approximately I'm going to say around 4 ohms. So we're getting about a 3 amp pulse each time it triggers, and we'll see if it's enough to keep the 50 pound bob oscillating or swinging. There we go. It's nice to know that there are limits. And okay, so we'll check back in about 5-10 minutes and see how it's performing. Thanks for watching. So, Graham Project gravity assisted pulse motor update. We rewired the a separate circuit, so now it's at 12 volts at approximately 3 amp pulse, and it's not enough to keep the 50 pound mass swinging back and forth. One side is still triggering, and this side stopped, like in the earlier experiments. So, not exactly sure how to proceed. We have to increase the voltage, increase the current, or decrease the weight. So, those are the options. I'll post results. This may be a problem with this overall pendulum design, is being able to swing a heavy enough mass to generate additional torque at the output. So looks like we're going to start building or start fabricating the 10 pound drop configuration again, and we'll go from there. Yeah, see, it just stopped triggering on the other side as well. So at this point, 12 volt system is not enough to keep the 50 pound mass oscillating. We can decrease the mass, but then we're going to have less torque at the PMA. So we'll have to think about this for a while. Suggestions welcome. Enjoy the day. Cheers.